Hello friends, welcome to the new lesson. In this part, we want that when we correctly draw a word, that word will be placed in the created tables. Okay, let's get started with the lesson. Enter the Game Manager code. The first thing we need to do is that all letters should be automatically placed inside the tables. These two lines of code get all the letters from the databank and place them in the child prefab, which is a text. Save the code and return to Unity. As you can see, if you run the game, all the letters will automatically be placed inside the tables. And if you change the level index to any level you want and run the game, you will enter that level. And now we need to make sure that the word is only entered into the table when the correct word is entered. Create a new class named showCharsList. Declares a public list named showchar that will store transform objects. This line of code declares a public list named showCharList that stores objects of type showCharList. This line creates a new instance of the custom class showCharList and stores it in a variable called charList. This line adds the transform component of obj to the showCharList inside the charList object. This line adds the charList object to the showCharList list. Save the code and return to Unity. Wait for the code to fully compile. Now run the game. As you can see, the lists we created have been generated, and fields have been created for the number of words in our databank. Now go to the chars prefab and automatically disable the text prefab so that the letters are not displayed until they are entered. Now go back to the code where the answer is checked. Remove the debug code. Now we need to write code that when a word is correctly drawn, the text prefab corresponding to the entered word becomes enabled. This code block is a for loop that iterates through all the transform objects stored in the showchar list of a specific showchar's list item and activates the first child game object of each one. Run the game, and as you can see, whenever a correct word is drawn, that word enters the table. Well, we've reached the end of this part of the tutorial. If you like this part, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.